Bonnie. Welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you how I achieved these knotless box braids. They're really easy to do, but they did take me about 10 hours. So that was a downfall to that. But yeah, like there's no tension on my edges. They're very easy to move. I want to show you the hair that I use. It's the 3x freetress braid in 301, the natural texture. It is pre-stretched, so I really like this hair, so I advise getting this. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so here are the things you'll need for this video. A hairbrush, edge brush, and rat tail comb. You'll need clips, some sort of edge control, hair jam or gel, a oil of choice, a hair setting mousse, a mirror to help with parting, and the type of hair I'm using is the freetress 3x braid 301 in natural texture. I like to start off on freshly washed and blow dried hair. The night before, I pre-sectioned my hair so it wouldn't take me as long the next day. Okay, so I finished most of my hair off camera just to save time. So right now I'm just going to show you how I start the knotless braid. I basically start off by just starting off with a regular plait, maybe like 3 or 4 times, and then from the braiding hair I will take off 2 or 3 small sections depending on the size of your braid. Okay, so right here I'll be adding my first piece of hair. Pretty much I'll just attach it to the middle piece and the far right piece and just attach it and braid a little bit down, and then I'll have my second section ready. Then I'll add that piece, and then just continue to braid all the way down. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm not the best at explaining things. And I just wanted to say I am not a professional whatsoever. This is just something I decided to try since I had a lot of time during this quarantine. So it's not perfect, but just thought I'd give it a try. And once again, I'm just starting off with my real hair and just start the plait. Braid it down maybe a few times. Grab my first piece of hair and add it to the middle section and the far section, and attach it and just braid down. Braid down a few times, add your second section, or depending on if you have longer knotless braids, you would just add more hair. Okay, so I'm finally done after spending like half the day doing it. It was probably like 3 o'clock in the morning and I was so tired. Okay, so right now I am about to set my braids with hot water, and this helps to seal the braids and help them be a lot more flexible because they were pretty stiff after I was done. Alright, so this is the end of the video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching.